Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. 2019 on a nice cool January day. Got almost 50 vans in stock, new and used, and today I'm going to be highlighting a kind of rare Roadtrek. We're very happy to get a 2019 SS Agile in stock. Mercedes 6-cylinder, 20 foot in length. Let's go inside and take a peek. So this rear couch makes down into what you see is a twin bed, or it can be made into a queen size bed. Daytime you want to roll some people in here in the back, 3 people with seat belts. You can run the seat back up and have seating space. This has got an Aldi heating system. Runs off diesel. Controls are right in here for more fan, etc. Induction cooking. We have your entertainment center here with a flat screen TV, DVD player. Thermostat controls are in the bedroom. All you have to do is just sit up and you can cool it, heat it, whichever you want. The speaker systems, all the speakers are controlled here, whether you use a surround sound or the radio up front. Closet, we've got one. It slides out right here for your hangers. It's a short closet, but it's a nice closet. And of course your feet go in this way. Nice drawer underneath the induction cooking. Compressor refrigerator, no propane on board. Makes it much more efficient and also less troubles with it not being perfectly level. Full extension on your drawers. They utilize every space they can. Sink. Good counter space when you're not washing dishes. This is your table for if you want to use that for dining. Another nice drawer. Good storage. Convection microwave. 110 and fuses are up here. This should be your solar panel controller. This is your inverter control. This has got a 200 lithium system. Short unit, but it's got a lot of room. So if you turn right behind you and look up, you're going to see your EcoTrek 200 lithium button. It's got a main inverter right up here. You turn around and take a peek this way. Your main inverter's here. The one behind me is just to run the induction. Then you got your control panels, your volts, your battery disconnect switch. It's got a leather trim as an option. Tilt steering wheel, seats go up and down for height adjustment. The steering wheel telescopes as well. Gets 20 to 22 miles per gallon. It does have volt start. So if you had something running inside off the inverter, when the voltage gets down to around 11, with the volt start on, it'll automatically start your engine. The under hood generator then would charge your lithium battery pack and then shut off after 30 minutes. Little compartment up on top for storage. And I think we're good to go around the outside. Turn off all the juice. Electric step, which is nice. Power awning. It does not have a wind sensor. It's got arms that can attach to the side. It's got a hitch rated for 5,000 pounds towing. Here's your inverters I talked about. One's to run the main system, the other one's to run the induction cooking. Part of your surround sound. Speakers are here in the back. And you've got a spacious place underneath the couch for storage. Outdoor shower. 110 hookup. Those are magnets, by the way. Macerator. The little black valve, that handle, you push it if your impeller sticks. And on these, you have no propane. remember, when you use the toilet, just put number 1 and number 2 in, nothing else, or otherwise that impeller could get stuck. So this is a diesel. Behind this door number 1 is the little door number 2, and that's where you fill your diesel. If you have a question on this unit, why, of course, you would call the van guy. My email's on the screen. My phone number is 541-554, you're right, 9581. Appreciate your time. I'll look for your call. Thank you.